Now that we have downloaded Lightroom application on our machine, it is now time to launch it and start our new project. So to do that, you can just simply double click on the Lightroom icon in here. And once you do that, it will launch the Adobe Lightroom application. And in here, you can simply drag or just add some photos or videos to start on a new project. So you can choose to connect a camera, memory card, or phone. You can drag and drop files here or browse your computer to add photos and videos. And you can also sync from Lightroom on Android or iOS. Now, to simply add a photo, you can just click on this button here or just click this button here. At that point, it will launch the select files or folder dialog box. And in here, you can choose your destination and find out where your images or videos are. So in this case, I have the tutorial assets folder ready, and I can simply just click on an image to import individual photos, or I can choose the folder or the whole folder to have all of the assets or images inside of those to be imported inside the application. So at this point, I'll just choose a folder and it will launch the folder inside the application. And in here, you can also have it excluded or included inside the application. So you can just click on this checkbox here and choose which one you want to add. So I'll just have all of them here and click on add photos. And at this point, it will sync all of these photos inside your Adobe Cloud storage. And you can use it on any Adobe application if you want to. So at this point, we have started our new project. On our upcoming lessons, we will learn how we could use Adobe Lightroom, and we'll be looking at the interface inside the program.